Meghalaya Health Minister Alexander Lalu Hek once again appealed to the citizens to act responsibly while fighting COVID-19. In an interview, Hek said it is a difficult situation for everybody, and if people are united with the government they propose to defeat the coronavirus will be a reality. While appreciating the medical teams in Ground Zero in time of hour, he informed that the cancer wing of Shillong Civil Hospital have been transformed to COVID-19 Emergency Services Center.
Yeah, my appeal to all the citizens of our states to stay at home. Minimum it is required as announced by the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji to stay at home for 21 days. It has to follow in the letter and spirit, number one. Number two, for our dear students, those who are studying outside the state, any part of the country or also outside the country, on the return home back, they should report first to the Meghalaya Online or to 108 or to any nearest control room or any hospital, or they can directly contact the Deputy Commissioner in this regard, and immediately they have to go for testing. Everybody, we are appealed, those are coming from outside the state, whether it is infected or not infected, states also, it is mandatory they to go for testing to avoid any spread of coronavirus. So once again, I reiterated to all our young students, those are working outside, the employees, those are working outside, and those also coming from outside, they should be stay at home minimum for 14 days to be quarantined themselves. State have taken all sort of precautionary. The completed cancer wing, which we are supposed to be opening for the daycare cancer hospital, now temporarily we have converted to the OPD for the COVID-19, and also we have converted to the observations and isolation ward for the COVID-19. And anybody who is having little doubt for any kind of symptoms that is happening into any citizens, they immediately to report it to the hospital, the nearest hospital, either to Negrims or the Shillong Civil Hospital, or to the nearest hospital immediately. We have all our health workers, including the doctors, the nurses, they are working overnight. They have on the war footing to protect for any kind of spread of this COVID-19. My very, very clear advice to all of them, those who are coming back from outside the states, or also outside the country, that immediately they have to report to health department, they have to report to the Deputy Commissioner, to the nearest Deputy Commissioner, to all the BDOs. We have already instructed to all the BDOs, to also even to the Darbar headmen, the localities. There also we have given a very clear instruction. I am very thankful to the cooperations that we are getting from all the Darbar the localities. They are all following the protocol of health advisory, and also maintaining strict restrictions for those people are coming from outside. I have got few calls. Those people are coming from outside. They have not reported to the health department. They have not reported the police. They have not reported the DC. We immediately send the forces. Immediately we are intervention with this, and we took them into immediately and took them to the hospital. We took them to the test for the testing and all. Immediately we try to do whatever precautionary can be taken. Till now, there's no country anyone has been manufacturing any kind of medicines for the coronavirus, except symptomatic treatment has been given to the patient who are having the cold, cough, the flu, the fever and all. The symptomatic treatment has been given to them. Till today we have been tested many. Yesterday we have tested 8 of them. So before that we had tested almost 21 of all of them. They have all found negative in the state of Meghalaya so far. Thanks God, with thanks to Almighty, We not suppose, we thanks to not to have a single positive cases in our state of Meghalaya. We just pray to God that God will protect us, to protect the people of our country, protect the people of the world also at the same time.